Protektive Pak Workstation Organizers are designed to increase productivity by organizing and standardizing placement of bottles, tools, and accessories on the workstation. The organizers have a variety of openings for various bottles, hand tools, wipes, and they include a tall sleeve insert for holding swabs, small tools, and a cover for wipes. The workstation organizer is easy to assemble without the need of tape, glue, or staples. The organizers are marked with the ESD Protective Symbol per ANSI ESD S541 requirements. The workstation organizers are constructed from Protektive Pak's Impregnated static dissipative corrugated material or the Conductive fluted plastic material. The fluted plastic organizers are both chemical and moisture resistant, making them ideal for use in an environment where corrugated and/or paper products are not allowed. For workstations where space is limited, Protektive Pak offers a compact version of the workstation organizer. These are available in the same impregnated static dissipative corrugated or fluted plastic material. Compact organizers have a small insert for storing miscellaneous items, compared to the full-size standard organizers that have the cutout and cover for the wipes. Both the standard and compact organizers can be custom configured for your workstation application. For more information, please visit protectivepak.com.